October, it's spooky season, and at some point you may be thinking of celebrating by carving a face on a pumpkin. I'm here to share with you that your pumpkin is indeed food, even after it has a face on it. That's fine. I'll show you how to bake it into a puree as opposed to letting it sit on your front porch all winter, turning into a puree on its own, which is not nearly as delicious. After that, there'll be a recipe for making a delicious and nutritious mac and cheese using your pumpkin puree. Enjoy!
Pretty good.